This might look like the original Emblem on this Tacoma, but it's not. This right here is the OEM Toyota LED Emblem. Available in 2 different finishes, and it's super easy to install with just 3 easy steps. So let's start at the beginning. Let's get this Emblem out, put everything on the table, show you what's included, and then show you how to get this installed. Right here on the table, we have both options that Toyota offers, which is gonna be chrome and dark chrome. In this video, we're gonna install the dark chrome kit. Let's go ahead and open it up and show you everything that's included. All right, so right here we have the logo itself, and then we have the harness. This is gonna make everything plug and play, super easy to get installed. And then we have the kit, which has some zip ties, and the foam, which we're gonna be wrapping around the plugs once we get everything connected. So right here we have the tools on the table, starting with a ratchet and a short 10mm socket. This is gonna be to take the negative terminal off the battery. We have a trim prying tool to remove our factory emblem, and then we have a small pair of cutters to cut the zip ties once we get everything nice and tidy. This installation is gonna be pretty easy. We're gonna give it a 1 out of 3, so minimal mechanical skills is needed to get this job done. So let's go ahead and get this install started by popping our hood. So now we're gonna take our 10mm socket. We're gonna get the nut loosened here for the negative terminal and pull that off the battery. Just tuck that down there so it can't go back and make contact. All right, next thing we're gonna do is pop this piece out right here. For our intake, there is 4 push pins. You're simply just going to push the center and pull these clips out by hand. You don't want to just pull this up with all those clips still in there because they're gonna go flying, and if it goes in the engine bay, you're probably gonna lose them. Once we got 4 clips removed, we'll just pull this up and out. So now we're ready to remove our factory emblem. I got my trim prying tool, and as you can see, our Tacoma has the factory OEM blackout kit on it. So we want to make sure to actually get the whole emblem removed, not just the blackout kit. So I'm going to take my trim prying tool and I'm going to stick it in underneath that emblem, starting at the bottom, and pop it out. So as you can see, we got some of it popped out on the bottom. We're going to work our way up here to the top, and just like that, our factory logo is removed. All right, so now we're ready to run our new wire harness for our new emblem. So the single plug is going to be going to the emblem. We want to make sure it comes out right here through this hole on the driver's side of the Tacoma, and then the end with the 2 plugs is going to be running over here to your passenger headlight. So we're going to start over here at the headlight. Looking at this headlight tab, you can see there is a taco on top of a taco. Right underneath that, under the radiator support, is the plug that we're going to be using to get power for this new emblem. So we're going to reach under there and we're going to unclip that and pull it out. So now we're going to take the harness, and the gray plug is going to go into the plug that we just removed from the back of the headlight. This other plug right here is going to go back into the headlight where we removed the original plug from. All right, so we got that end of the harness hooked up. Now we need to run this part over to the front of our grille. So we're going to start by putting it underneath the radiator support right here by the passenger headlight and pulling everything out. So we're going to follow these factory wires right here and tuck the plug behind this 10mm bolt, and then also tuck it behind this bracket here. And then we're going to go down the hole and come out here where the emblem is. Now I'm just going to go ahead and throw a zip tie on right here to hold it in place. And I'll go ahead and cut off the extra. Toyota also includes these 2 foam pads with a double-sided tape back. These are for the plug where the gray plug went into the black plug. There is some exposed wiring there. If you want, you would take one of these, put it on each side of the plug, and wrap that up. All right, now time for the fun part. We're going to plug in our new emblem, and that's simply going to get snapped in place on our grill. All right, emblem is installed. So before we go ahead and test it out, we need to hook our battery back up. So let's go ahead and put the negative terminal on the battery and tighten down that 10mm nut. All right, with the battery tight, we'll go ahead and turn our headlights on 1 click. So our marker lights are on. And as you can see, our brand new emblem here from Toyota is lit up and working perfectly. And just so you guys can see, the emblem will stay on with the marker lights on, the headlights on, and also with the fog lights on. All right, so we confirmed everything works the way it's supposed to. Let's go ahead and put this piece on. Make sure it drops down all the way in place. And now we can reinstall the clips. You're gonna wanna push the bottom piece up like that. Put that back in and push it down until it's flush. All right, so with this piece installed, we are finished with the LED emblem from Toyota. This is super easy to get done. It should only take you guys maybe 5 minutes to do. And if you want to pick one of these up for your Tacoma, it's available at YotaXpedition.com. Click the link in the description. If you guys have any questions, comment down below. Let's go ahead and turn these lights out and see how this thing really looks.